Now I will teach the topic of class 9, that is polynomial. Polynomial. This is a chapter 2nd of NCERT, polynomial, in which the first term is algebraic expression. What are algebraic expression? Algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? Algebraic expressions is the combination of terms connected by addition, subtraction, multiplying and multiplication and division. So these are the algebraic expression. In the algebraic expression, the first term is monomial. We already have an idea of monomial in small classes also. We have already studied these are in small classes. If algebraic expression has only one term, then it is said to be monomial. Okay, for example, there should be what condition? One condition is compulsory in monomial. There should not be any negative exponents. Okay, for example, x raised to power 8. Only one term, therefore it is monomial. 6xy. This is monomial. Now come to the binomial. Binomial means having two terms, x square plus xy, 2xy plus x cube, so on. All type of term which including 2, but one condition is compulsory, there should not be any negative exponents. Okay, now come to the trinomial. Trinomial including 3 elements, 3 terms, x cube plus x square plus x, 2x plus 3 x square minus 4. There are 3 terms in trinomial. Now come to the polynomial. What is polynomial? Polynomial means an algebraic expression. All these are called polynomial, but not monomial. These are polynomial. All algebraic expressions. Algebraic expression which have more than one term are called polynomials. Okay, polynomials in one variable are a, let us suppose a naught x naught plus a naught x raised to power 1, a1 x raised to power 1, a2 x square, a3 x cube and so on a and x raised to power n. But the condition is, the important condition in polynomial, there should not be any term having negative exponents. Okay, if the terms, for example, we have x is to the negative 1 plus 2x. So this is not the polynomial because it has a negative exponents. The power should not be in a fraction. For example, we have x plus x. This is also not a polynomial. Okay, so this is the introduction of polynomial. In introduction of polynomial, we have one degree. First basic topic is degree of the polynomial. What is a degree? Degree is the largest exponents. Degree of a polynomial is the largest. This is the first exercise and first topic is degree of polynomial. Degree means largest exponent of polynomial in one variable. Polynomial in one variable. For example, we have x square plus 2x, x plus 4. The degree is 2. If we have 5x6 minus x is to the power 5 plus x2, the degree is 6. So this is the highest, the largest exponent in a polynomial is called the degree. Okay, what are the coefficients? Coefficients, the constants along with the variables. Constants along with the variables are known as coefficients. For example, we have 5x6. This equation, x is to 5 minus x square. Coefficient of x is to power 6 is a constant along with this, that is 5. If I want to know coefficient of x raised to power 5, that is negative 1, because there is only one negative 1 along with x raised to power 5. If I want to know coefficient of x square, it is 1. So these are the coefficients. The first exercise totally based on these coefficients and degrees. Okay, thank you.